Today we will be discussing about data modeling and web scraping. First of all, let us move on to web scraping. Later we will discuss about data modeling. Okay. So in order to do web scraping means extracting data from a particular website. Okay. So I will show you. See, there is, when you will click on this drop down in get data, you will be having this web option. Okay. When you will click over it, it will ask you for the URL. Okay. So, okay. So here, let us take a simple, Sabha election data is there. In that particular data, there is a pie chart also. We will try to make that pie chart. Okay. So this is a particular website where, how many Lok Sabha seat a particular party is having, that thing is represented. See, there is a pie chart. Okay. And with the help of this legend, it is showing us that which party is having how much number of seats in Lok Sabha. Okay. It is a simple pie chart that we can create in our Power BI also. See, when I'm moving cursor over different sectors, it is showing me the value with percentage, right? So this is the table whose visual representation is shown over here. Okay. And let us take this particular data. Okay. And I'm going to paste this URL. My voice is clear to all of you, right? Should I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you should paste the URL, whatever the URL was there, na, this URL. This you have to paste over here. Okay. After
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Any problem? You're facing any problem, any connection issue? Okay. I hope there is no issues. Can you please type in the chat box?
Ma'am, all good.
No problem, right?
Yes, ma'am, no problem.
Okay, okay. So we have to click on OK. After pasting the URL, we should click on OK, right? Now, corresponding HTML table will appear. This text is regarding HTML code and a text. Okay, when you will move your cursor over there and click it, you can find the table, whatever is there. So this was that particular table, isn't it? This table, right? Bharatiya Janata Party is having 303 seat and 55.59% of the total it is having, right? So let us see whether the same data is there. Yes, it is. BJP is having 303 seat and 55.9% of the total, right? The same table it is. And if you are going over here, it's corresponding to HTML code and all. Don't go with that. This is your table. You have to extract it. So for that, simply go to this checkbox, mark it and load it. That's it. This is one of the important section in Power BI because in upcoming task, you may have to do web scraping. Okay, either you can do with the help of Power BI or Python. With the help of Python, it is, more data you can extract. You can extract pictures, lot of things you can extract in case of Python. In Power BI, comparatively little bit limitations are there. Okay. So, yeah, this is our table. All parties, some kind of name is there. Okay. When you will click on the drop down here, you can find the columns. Okay. Whatever columns were there, like serial number, party name, and number of members, percentage. The same column is shown over here. Okay. Serial number, percentage, party name, number of members. They are in alphabetic order. Okay. That's why S is in the last and number, this one is at the top, right? Alphabetically it is arranged. Now, when you will go to this data table, you can see exact table you can find, right? Now you can make the same pie chart. See, I'm taking pie chart, okay? Right? Now, what should come under legend? Guys, please tell me. Have you got the idea what should come under legend?
Party name.
Party name, correct. See, here also in legend, party name was there, right? Okay, so we will take this party name and we will put it on legend. And in values, what should come?
Number of members.
Number of members, correct. Okay, so same pie chart we are getting, only color difference are there, right? Same pie chart it is, isn't it? Same. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is what is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can try out some other websites also, like our own website, yoshop.com, we can take it. Okay, here what is the thing is, different item name, different products are there, right? Product image is there, its name, price, and shipping facility. You can extract this textual data with the help of Power BI. Okay, whatever the title is there, whatever its price is there, and what kind of facility is available. Those things you can extract. Okay, all these things. Okay, so I'm just copying this yoshop.com URL. Okay, and now let us go to get data. Okay, here choose web URL. Okay, and paste it. Then click on OK. So this is that suggested table. Okay, there are some text regarding HTML code and all. Let us check this one. Move your cursor over there, just click it. You will find Geo Notebook, Data Analyst Training Program, all those kind of stuff. Okay. When you will go to the website, you can see first one is GeoBook laptop. Okay. Then Data Analyst Training Program, Geo smartphone, like that. Contents are there. Okay. Drones and all. So last name will be most probably VMAX, this drone. Okay. And first name will be Geo Notebook. Second will be Data Analyst Program. The same thing we are getting over here. GeoBook laptop, Data Analyst Training Program. And last one is what? Wedding toy, wedding doll toy. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. This one, wedding doll toy. Okay, there is a box, its place was over here. So this is the last item. Okay, so that's why it is showing so. Right, and if I want it, I will mark the checkbox and I can load it. Right. Similarly, I can load other tables also in the website. Like here I want to tell you, these are the categories of the website, like toys and games, mobiles, laptops, accessories, electronic items, home, kitchen, fashion, food, services. These, these subsections were explained in induction process. And regarding this toys and games, in PlayStation, we can have some products. These are some products, okay? And regarding food, okay, these are some kind of food stuff available, right? So we can extract those data. Okay, this one, any web URL, you can extract like this.
Hello,
Yes,
madam. Is it possible to save that table in the format of Excel?
can you please say little bit loud?
Ma'am, is it possible to save the table as an Excel sheet, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sure, you can do it. I will show you how. Okay, so
Okay.
this is our one more table. After this, I will tell you. Okay, so you have to mark this checkbox, then load the data. Okay, so for example, if you want this particular data set, right? If you want to save this particular one, I will take another page. Okay, after loading it, we will discuss about it. In CSV format, you can export it. Okay, I will tell you how. You have to simply make a table. Whichever column you want, you can do in that manner. Okay, so first of all, right. So here it is somewhat random. Let us correct it initially. Okay, this was called item. I mean this product name, right? Product name. Okay, and this was price. Okay, and this one was shipping facility. Okay, that's it. So we are having our table whose column headers are proper right now. Now, if you want to take the entire column, you can you have to simply place it over like this, like here. You will place it like this. You will be making a table, right? We have discussed about the table in earlier session. The same way you can make a table out of it, okay? And this is how your table is looking like, okay? Now there is a 3 dot over here. You click over it, there is an option called export data. You choose that one. Now your file will be saved as a CSV file, okay? All right, save. Okay. So it is in downloads, I guess. This one was it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we got it in a form of Excel sheet. I mean, a CSV table also. Is it okay, guys?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, like this, we can extract data and later we can use it for, I mean, in any other, for any other application and all, we can use it. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. Are you having any doubt?
No.
Well, we can
Simply
also use the same method like get data from web URL in this Excel also.
Yes.
We can use the same method like you did in the Power BI, get data. You copied the URL. We can do it in Excel also
Excel
from
also.
data.
Yeah, correct. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you.
Ma'am, can you repeat this
Yeah, sure.
scrapping?
Which one, I mean, exporting the data, there is a confusion or anything else?
No, ma'am, just web scraping.
Web scraping. Okay, we will take one more example. Okay,
Okay.
like Wikipedia. In any others, Wikipedia will be having lot of tables. Any other website that you know which is having some data? Flipkart. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is another e-commerce website. Okay. So here, if we want to extract this data, like what is the name, star rating, and the price of it, how many people have reviewed it, all those things also we can extract like this. Go to get data. Okay. Click on web. What you should click? Everyone, what you should click?
Get data.
In get data, what you should click?
Web.
Web, correct. So then paste over here, then click on OK, right? Since it's a huge data, that's why little issue is there. Like it's a huge page, not like view shops. It's taking time. Okay, so we are getting many tables. Let us check them one by one. Okay, this one, let us check. No, it is not that one, right? See, our data set was having, what was the first one? Ampere Magnus X graphite, right? Yeah, Ampere.
table 2.
Table 2, correct. So this is the one that we wanted. Okay. So if we are checking other, it is the only one that we require, right? Isn't it? This is regarding how many people have, data. Okay, we will take this one. Later we can merge also. Okay. So this is how you can load it. Okay. Now it will take some time to load. And then again, I will tell you how to export the table. Okay. So let us take page 2. After loading it, we will take page 2. Okay, right now, see, this is our table. Okay, I hope it is this one, right? This is our table. Okay, so we are taking another page in order to make. I'm putting it over here. Okay, you can change the column header also. That is your choice. Okay, that as I told you earlier, in that manner you can do it. So this is your table. Okay, now if you want to export it, there is 3 dots over here in the bottom. Okay, when you will click over it, you will find an option called export data. Click that one. Now you can export it. Okay, save it. Since already data name, I mean something, the name of data is there, we will replace it. That's it.
Please, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this table we are getting is related to HTML table tag or how it's coming, ma'am?
It is no, I'm not able to understand. Like what you were asking? Oh, there is an
See,
error.
when we are
It's
extracting,
already open. Yeah, this is the issue. Okay. Don't say. Yes, what was the doubt?
I said after scrapping the data, we are getting so many tables. I said this table is related to HTML table tag or how the
We have
table
to
is
check it
coming.
simply going, I mean, while navigating, we can find it, no? Isn't it?
I said this table is HTML table or how it is, ma'am.
It is the suggested
See, if you
suggested HTML table, no? Sorry, suggested table it is.
because some website you can see some website they don't have any table. In that case, how
Yeah,
you
it is
get
also not having any table, but while doing the web scraping, it suggests that this kind of table can be formed. That is what I am saying, suggested table. Okay.
okay, ma'am. That means your website should contain table tag here to get table here, right?
Yeah. See, sometime, I mean, it is, Power BI itself suggests this kind of table. So in that we can extract whatever, I mean, see, Power BI itself suggests this kind of tables, like if whether this kind of tables can be formed or not. That is its own interior processing. I am not very much familiar about it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, I think he's right. Maybe website's backend has some sort of table which
That's true.
contains all
That's
the
true. That is
information.
that
Yeah,
I understand. Yeah, that there is a
yeah, that is how Power BI
okay,
gets
correct.
an idea to collect the data.
Yes, there is a possibility.
Yeah.
Wait a second. So up to this is clear to it's clear to all of you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So simply you have to export the data. Then it will appear like this. Okay, save it. Okay, now when you will click over it, then you can find the exact data. This is that data. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us move on to data modeling. Okay. So for that, I'm going to extract some CSV files. Okay. So let us close this one. Guys, wait a second. Now my voice is audible to all of you.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, in a case of data modeling, what you have to do, go to get data. Okay, there you choose CSV file, because right now we will be dealing with CSV file only. So go to data. They are in your shops. No, not in your shop, sorry. Okay. There, this is customer data of a particular company whose name is AdventureWorks. Okay, so click that one. I'm going to load that particular data over here. The company name is AdventureWorks, which is basically it's a two-wheelers company. Okay, these are customer names, their birth date, those kind of data is available over here, right? Their marital status, gender, and all those things. Okay, now you have to load it, right? So this is that particular table, and it's these are the table name, I mean column names. Okay, we will take some another table also. They are also in CSV format. Okay, this is product categories. It will show different categories, like in our website, not in there. Yeah, like in yoshops.com, we had some categories like toys and games, mobiles, laptop, accessories, electronics. Those, I mean, these many categories are there. Similarly, in this particular company also, 4 categories are there. Okay, bikes, components, clothing, accessories. How many types of bikes are there? What I mean, some components related to bikes, and some clothing that is required for a two-wheeler rider, and some accessories. Okay, so load it. Okay, so now, so this one also appeared over here. Okay, wait a second, guys. Actually, there is a call.
Hello.
Then eventually, by luck, India was also started for girls. So I am like that. Abjesh, please mute your audio. Thank you. Okay. So right now we are dealing with this data modeling, so that we need some more tables. So go to CSV. My voice is audible to all of you? Guys, my voice is audible or not? Please respond. Hello? There was a network issue. Sorry for that. Okay, let us begin the session. Okay, so we need some more data set. My voice is audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so,
Yes.
so let us go to CSV. Here we have already loaded this product category table. Now move on to the products. Okay, now load it. Okay, these tables are having some, I mean, some features. I'm loading it.
Your screen is not visible.
Okay, sorry for that. Yeah. Right now it is visible. It's
Yes, ma'am. It's
okay.
Yes, no.
So, okay, so we are taking product subcategories. Okay, now load it. Now go to get data. Again, we are taking some more table. Returns.
Here you can see some data, some day-to-day data is being updated, right? Not day-to-day, occasionally some days data is being updated, okay? Throughout an year. Now let us take the sales table. Here you can see like on 1st January 2015, what happened? Those things are actually recorded over here. Okay, which product was, what is the product key? What is the customer key? I mean, which customer key and product key will show you the particular product, and actually it will indicate you a particular product and a particular customer. It shows you that which customer had purchased which thing and what was his territory. With the help of this territory key, how many items he or she have purchased. Those kind of things are actually recorded over here. Okay, so you can see day by day. On 2nd, there is some data. On 3rd, some more records are there, like that. Okay, so I'm loading it. So I want to tell you that there are two types of tables in data modeling. One is dimension table, other is fact table. Okay, one is dimension table. One is dimension table, another one is what, guys? What it was? Fact table. Correct. So dimension table is a supporting table only. Fact table is the table which will show you what is happening in the company. Okay. Right. So I will tell you one by one. Fact table is basically used directly for the analysis. Like if you want to track the growth of a particular company, fact table is the most useful table which is directly used for the analysis. And dimension tables are some supporting tables which will tell you, which will give you some more insights out of it. Okay. So we will explain, I will explain you one by one, right? Let us go to this. Yeah, this is the table format of our data set. Now this is regarding customers data. Okay, like what was the name of customers and what is their birth date and all. Guys, do you think that it is a kind of fact table or it is a dimension table? Is it a supporting table or it is used directly for the analysis?
Dimension table.
It is a dimension table because it is a supporting table which will tell you, okay, this is the detail of customers. It is the detail. Yes. These are the details of customers of this particular company. It is a side table only. Okay, kind of supporting table. So that's why we will rename it as dimension table. Okay. Before renaming, let us see the entire table name so that it will be clear to you. Okay, this is the name of that table. Adventure work, name of the company, customer, and some numeric code is also there. Okay, so we will rename it simply as D-customer because it is a dimension table. Okay. Right. This is a customer table. Sorry, this dimension table, right? And now let us move on to this table. Guys, what do you think about this particular table? It is a fact table or a dimension table? Any idea which kind of table it is?
Dimension.
It is a dimension table, correct. It is a supporting kind of table which will tell you that what are different categories of products available in this company, right? And correspond. Okay, so that is also done. Now moving on to the next table. This is related to products, whatever products are available in the company. So it is a dimension table or a fact table. What it is?
Dimension.
It is a dimension table, correct. Okay, so we will rename it as D-product. Right? Now that is also done. Now let us move on to the product subcategories. What do you think about this particular table? It is a dimension table or a fact table?
Dimension.
It is also a dimension table, correct? Yes, any doubts? Someone was saying hello. Okay, I think there is no issues. Okay, let us move on to this returns table. Can you please tell me what kind of table it is? Dimension table or
Dimension.
It is a-
Dimension.
it is a fact table. See guys, some continuous dates are there, right? On 7th, on 3rd July 2016, 3rd July 2016, 11th July 2016. Some product was there which were returned, right? This is return date. See, it happens in a particular company. Na? People used to sell the product and that same product is returned to the company, right? So it shows the data corresponding to that. So it is directly used in the analysis or it is a supporting table.
Direct analysis.
Yes, so it is a fact table, right?
Yes, no.
So I'm renaming it
ma'am.
as, yes,
It means like if you have table with only numerical value, it's fact table or
no, if a table is not exactly like that, actually it shows that what is happening in the company during a span of time.